Picture yourself staring in the mirror, wishing for the confidence of a full head of hair. Now, imagine a solution that delivers it without scars, long recoveries, or compromises. Welcome to Neo DHT, the future of hair restoration. Unlike follicular unit transplantation, or FUT, which cuts a strip from your scalp, leaving a permanent linear scar and weeks of discomfort, Neo DHT is virtually scar-free, compared to follicular unit extraction, or FUE, which extracts follicles one by one, but risks damaging them and requires multiple sessions for dense results. Neo DHT uses AI-guided micro-tools that adapt to your scalp's unique contours. These smut punches achieve a transection rate below 1%, preserving nearly every follicle. With immediate implantation, grafts stay out of the body for mere minutes, boasting a 98% survival rate. Recovery? Just 3 to 5 days. Neo DHT delivers natural, lush hairlines that blend seamlessly, transforming not just your look, but your life. This isn't just a procedure, it's a revolution in confidence.